Hey everybody, HowToCarGuy here, helping you enjoy your ride. Have you ever started your car and you felt a big thud from the engine compartment? One of the possible explanations for that could be a bad motor mount. There's a motor mount at the top of the engine. There are several motor mounts on your engine. Just depends on what kind of engine you have. It's called a dog bone motor mount because it's shaped like a dog bone. Whenever that motor mount goes bad, on the inside of it there's like a big portion of rubber, and it's a rubber ring, and it's real thick, and over time it deteriorates, and on the inside, whenever that goes bad, there is a cavity that is created, and when you start the engine, the looseness of it can make the engine go forward and backward like that, causing a bumping sensation when you start the car. Also, when you're riding down the road, that can make the engine move backwards and forward, causing the wires that surround parts of the engine to be pulled as well. And that whole thing can just be bad on the engine and also on the electrical components that are around the engine. So you want to make sure that your motor mounts are good. Take a look at these few pictures and you'll have an idea of what a bad motor mount looks like. You can see the deterioration, and here is what a good motor mount looks like. And that motor mount is going to hold the engine in place. So make sure that if you have that that sensation whenever you start your car, like a popping or a thud, it could be a bad motor mount. Make sure you have that checked out. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Hope this helps you enjoy your ride. Remember to subscribe and have a great day.